Unlike those traditional lug-centric spacers, Hub-centric spacers are built to fit your car's hub perfectly. The center hole is prepped to slide right over your hub, keeping your wheels spot on center every time. This custom fit means way fewer annoying vibrations and a much smoother, more stable ride. Sometimes every performance you like can rarely appreciate. So, will Hub-centric wheel spacers stop vibration? Yes, Hub-centric wheel spacers can stop vibration issues. Because the Hub-centric wheel spacers come with Hub-centric rings which secure the wheel in place. These designs ensure that the wheels are perfectly centered on the vehicle hubs, reducing the chance of vibration issue. When properly installed and maintained, high-quality Hub-centric wheel spacers are safer and they can improve handling and stability. Are Hub-centric spacers better? Yes, Hub-centric wheel spacers are better than lug-centric spacers. Hub-centric wheel spacers machined with center rings. These middle-centric rings fit exactly around the vehicle hub bowl. This design ensures that the weight of the vehicle is supported by the hub itself, rather than the wheels does. The Hub-centric wheel spacers are typically made to specially match the dynamic of the wheel hub bolt, allowing for a spicy fit. The Hub-centric wheel spacers are typically made to specifically match the diameter of the wheel hub bolt, allowing for a precise fit. BONOSS Hub-centric wheel spacers are CNC machined, positioned at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact with other parts, you absolutely need a tight tolerance. Precise Hub-centric wheel spacers are easier to sit flush up against the vehicle hub and wheel, so there is no obvious gap between them. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage Hub-centric wheel spacers will effectively reduce chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. Also, BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. When it comes to choosing spacers, stick with Hub-centric ones unless you have got a very specific situation that calls for lug-centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.